So it took me about 10 minutes to put the Spirit Rack together, and it was really fun. It was just really easy, simple instructions, and my son got to be involved, so that was a good thing. There's no screws, there's no tools, and there's like cool pictures on the box, so it's like cool for your kid. So Imul was like in it, like he kind of did the whole thing. I just kind of like told him where to go, like did one, and then he came in, popped the next couple in. He was psyched on this and like little hooks. So that's a cool, fun like child's project too. That was sick. The problem I was trying to solve was making it like kid friendly and then being super efficient with space, because my house is pretty small. I have 2 kids and I have a lot of surfboards, and I ordered this like brand new quiver of boards. So I was like, I need to get something that's like I can like put it in a corner without stacking it and getting it damaged, and trying to put a towel on the bottom so the tail doesn't slide and it knocks over and then my boards get dung and then I can't surf. So I was like, okay, how can I protect my babies and my other babies? And keep it all tight. So that's why I got this rack. So the Spirit Rack is super cool. Obviously I have 8 boards in here, cool little strap, and then it just has this cool drawer where I can put like wax and fins and whatever. So yeah, it pulls out and it's pretty sick. I just come in, get the wax, and my son goes in there. Every surfer that comes, he's like giving out wax. I'm like, dude, you gotta stop because these things are expensive. My son likes to play tech deck, so he's always like, pat. He like fully plays with it. He's get his little skateboards and like this is like a ledge for him. It's funny. I was like, oh, another cool thing. Why like useful for kids. And there's like a little hook here, so sometimes I just put my hat there. You know, when you're a professional, you gotta wear the cap. So come in, grab the cap and the board, and you're out. Or your leash, but whatever. It's sick.